this is the second part of how to make an origami magic ball. I'll leave the link to the first one in the description. Once you've made all the pre-creases, start by fanning out the model. So it looks like this. Now you want to make a reverse fold here on the first one in the corner. Then you want to skip the next aisle and make a reverse fold here. Now push on this crease and it will automatically make an airplane fold. And it will make an airplane fold like this. You want to complete the same on this side. Push down here and now fold this flap down like that. Now hold it like this and see this crease here. Push it forward and flatten the model out and make sure you don't reverse fold it in like that. Keep it out like this. Now skip this aisle and complete the same here. Push it in and flatten it out. Now you've completed one layer of your mini magic ball. You want to complete the same, but complete it with this aisle. Push here and flatten it out. And again, skip this one, push here and flatten it out. You'll want to repeat this until you get to the bottom. Remember, first on the last side, then you skip this one and do it here. Now you do this one, then you skip that one and do it here. It's that same pattern all the way down. Once you've reached the bottom, it should look like this. Again, you can see that you can push this one in, fold it down, and you can complete the same here. Now, you want to push it down like this, the last edge, and you want to make a reverse fold here, like this. And you want to squeeze the whole thing. Now, you want to fold the last edge on the bottom like this. And you want to reverse fold on all these flaps so it points outward. Now, complete the same here. Reverse fold all of the flaps outside. You've completed all the folds for the origami magic ball. Now, make sure you squeeze it tightly, and you're going to need some tape and a pair of scissors for the last part. To start, you can gently pull on these edges so the top becomes flat like this. Don't worry, the creases will come back. And complete the same on the bottom. So it looks like this. Then you can take your tape and wrap it and choose a side to tape like this. Once you've taped it like that, you can cut the excess tape off. Now, you want to bring those two together and try to align each box with each box on the tape. once you've taped it, sort of press it like this to make sure it's all taped out. And if there's still excess tape, you can fold it forward. Or you can cut it. Now, as you can see, half of it's a mini magic ball and half of it's just flat. You want to redo the creases that you made. So you can start by pushing it like that. And since all the tops were reverse folds, you can do that. Yeah, and just keep working on it. And it should eventually come to be like this. Congratulations, you've completed your origami mini magic ball.